In the previous online class, I taught you about sentence and discussed rules to form grammatically correct and meaningful sentence. Now let's learn about kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence. First is an assertive or declarative sentence. Second is a question or an interrogative sentence. Third is an imperative sentence, and fourth is an exclamatory sentence. Starting with the first kind of sentence, that is an assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that says or states something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. For example, Nikki is learning to play the piano. I go to school every day. They could not attend the meeting. He is very honest. All the above sentences says or states something, so these sentences are an assertive or declarative sentence. An assertive or declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Next is question or an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called a question or an interrogative sentence. For example, when did you start learning to play the piano? Are you feeling hungry? When did you come? Who is knocking at the door? All the above sentences ask questions, so these sentences are question or an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Third one is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, be quiet. Give me some milk, please. Revise your lessons in time. In these sentences, the first sentence expresses a command. The second sentence expresses a request. And the third sentence, an advice. So, a sentence which is in the command, request or advice form is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence usually begins with the base form of a verb and ends with the full stop. The subject of an imperative sentence is you. The subject of an imperative sentence is not shown but understood. For example, be quiet. Be quiet means you be quiet. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. Now the last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, how beautiful the rainbow is. What a silly mistake I made. How nice of you. Yummy, a fresh cake. All these sentences expresses a strong feeling, so they are exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Remember, all sentences begin with a capital letter. Let's practice few questions. Identify whether the following sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory sentence. Question number 1. Spoken words have a great power. This sentence is stating something, so it is an assertive or declarative sentence. Question number 2. How bitterly we may have to regret carelessly spoken words. This sentence is expressing a feeling, so it is an exclamatory sentence. Question number 3. Have you ever faced a situation like this? This sentence is in the question form, so it is an interrogative sentence. Question number 4. Think twice before speaking anything. This sentence is in the advice form, so it is an imperative sentence. Question number 5. My favorite TV program is just about to begin. This sentence is stating something, so it is an assertive or declarative sentence. Question number 6. Don't spend so much time watching television. This sentence is in the advice form, so it is an imperative sentence. Question number 7. Never judge a person from his looks. This sentence is in the advice form, so it is an imperative sentence, and it is true too. You should never judge a person from his look because appearances can be misleading. Question number 8. Some people with plain looks may be very intelligent. This sentence is in the statement form, so it is an assertive or declarative sentence. Question number 9. Didn't Abraham Lincoln have an impressive personality? This sentence is in the question form, so it is an interrogative sentence. Question number 10. What a noble, sensible and humble person Abraham Lincoln was. This sentence is expressing a strong feeling, so it is an exclamatory.